My name is Ozolani. I'm MSc Programme Lead in Endodontics and Consultant Restorative Dentistry at Peninsula Dental School. There is a monumental need for colleagues in general dental practice to upskill in endodontics to manage the wide plethora of pathology in the UK and beyond. The demand for competency in endodontic provision has created an arena where saving teeth, rather than extraction and prosthetic replacement, brings kudos, job satisfaction, with valuable benefits to the patient. This MSc will develop both endodontic and restorative skills to allow dentists to manage teeth that present with complex biomechanical challenges effectively and confidently.
I've been practicing in general dentistry for the last 20 years, and there's a time when you get a bit lonely and stagnant, so I decided to join this course to upskill and increase my knowledge base and give the best to my patients. I like the fact that it is very hands-on and nothing is a stupid question, so you can ask. Everybody is very approachable and eager to help.
We get to try everything that they teach us, and when we actually practice in the lab, it gives us better understanding of what we're learning, so we're able to apply the knowledge that we are learning.
I have never worked under microscope, so I am getting this chance to work under microscope. That's a big change for me, and this is helping me a lot. The staff is really good, very helpful. We're getting to know all the systems and better materials, getting the knowledge of everything. So I highly recommend this course.
So I've been really excited to be invited down to the University of Plymouth and teach on their Endodontic MSc programme. As you can see, the facilities are fabulous, the students are really engaging and proactive, and it's a great opportunity to further the specialty and the development of young careers.